welcome to the channel. This is a part of a bundled package of multiple items. I think these are some of my cords I ordered. Off of AliExpress. Which cable is this one? Is this for the Steam Deck? Or actually, to be more accurate, my capture card? Wow, it is. Wow, that came fast. I ordered that like a week or two ago only. That came fast from China. So it's got the like the PS3 style and there for the PS3 controller. I don't know what that USB part B or whatever, A and B. Okay, so actually, so I'm gonna record it as 3 separate videos. So that's one of my cables I ordered. This is for my capture card for power. Alright, sweet. So that came fast. This should be a 3-meter cord. 5 feet, I think. 5 feet, 3 meters. I think that's roughly how the conversion works. Anyways, see you in the next one.